This looks like it's set up pretty nicely. Might be time to try it. Let's see here. Hopefully it's not all runny. Oh, it is kind of runny. I hate it when it all runs out and then there's like half the pie with, would I do 6? I think so. Maybe I won't cut the other half. I usually tip it a little so that get the stuck part unstuck. That's gonna be messy. Oh my goodness, what a mess. Oh boy. Is it ever? Oh. Okay, that's what I didn't want to happen, is all the filling to fall out of it. But there you go. Messy, messy, messy. Yummy. I don't care if it's messy. It is a little runny. I would have preferred it like more syrupy. Okay, I'm gonna move her babies first. Yes, I'm gonna move your little babies. Oh, it's okay, baby. It's okay. Come on, little fellas. Oh, so cute, Mommy. Oh, look at the little black one. It's so tiny. Another yellow fluff ball. Oh, she's tucking the eggs back in. Come here. Oh, there's another yellow fluff ball. It's okay. Oh my goodness, there's another black one. Oh.
You gotta put something like this because they gotta put feed too.
Oh, okay.
So across the end.
Oh, look at, there's still some stuff stuck on that little guy.
Here, get this in there.
Okay.
Across the end.
Yeah. There we go, babies. Oh, look at you. I don't know if you can see that well enough. Look at that. The white one was the first one. This one I just pulled off some stuff that was still stuck to it, so it's doing well. So there's 6 so far. Now I'll move. Come on, Mommy.
Don't have eggs stuck on it.
Yeah, no. Come on, Mommy. Come on. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Good girl. Put these in before they explode in my face. Yeah, there you go. There you go, sweetie. Well, I'm trying to give you your babies. Don't be... Ah! Oh, that's the one. There you go. Oh, she's pecking me. Yeah, that one's gonna have to go in the compost. Okay. There. Is that better? Got more room? Get your babies all underneath you. There you go. Alrighty. She's content. Are you all happy now? Look how spread out she is now. She's got more room. That's way better, isn't it, Mommy? Now I'm going to have to dip their beaks. Oh, I should have done that before I put her in there. It's like I said before, I don't know what it is about chickens and styrofoam. That one standing on the perch trying to get styrofoam that's up under the bag, and the other one's jumping up to get styrofoam from there. Just crazy. I don't know what it is. Kooky chickens. My goodness. This is their second day without Mommy. Okay, she's all set up. Look how spread out she is. The oldest one is right there. Trying to get back under. There you go. And I dipped all their beaks, so she's set for a while now. Check in an hour or two and see if there's any more. There's 2 black ones and 4 yellow or gold or whatever. Oh, so much for it not raining anymore today. 10 minutes ago I was complaining because it was too hot. Now, we got one bookcase moved in. Now this one I'm going to have down at this end because the other one has a broken piece exposed on this end, and I don't want it showing down here. So this one's going to come down here, and we'll put the other one down there where the broken part won't show. They got marked up a bit moving, but I'll get one of those crayons to touch up the wood. Another good rain for all my berries and apples and garlic. Well, these 2 shelves in the middle are fixed and the others are all floating, so they have the little pokey things you can put wherever you want them. So I'll go get those and get some of them cleaned off. Obviously I'm going to have to get one of those markers for all these bits that are marked. There's one there, but that's okay. Okay, we got the other bookcase in here, so I've got them both cleaned up. Now I'm just cleaning all the shelves separately and putting them in. I'll just put them in wherever, and then I'll figure out what I want to put on them, and then I can move them. So there's 4 more for this one, and then there's 8 more for that one that I gotta get cleaned. Well, this really sucks. I just cleaned all the shelves and put them down there, because I can't do anything with that one now until I find the other bag of shelf pokey things. Got my one beautiful vase. As I was saying before the battery died, this is the vase I had in the bathroom drawer trying to keep it safe so it wouldn't get broken. Got that for Mother's Day a couple of years ago. Well, I made Chris buy it for Mother's Day. So I can't really do anything with this. This is what Chris calls playing dolly. Getting all my stuff set up and looking nice. Can't do it with this one though. Heavens knows how long it'll take me to find those. So Chris just put this trim on around the passageway. That gets that all finished off nicely, and then he put a bead of caulking all the way around it. He'll put painter's tape on the green, and then put the last coat of white over the nail filler, because he just did the nail filler in the pin nails. And decided not to use this little table. This space looked like it needed a little table, so I'm not going to use that one in the bedroom. Can't do anything else with this, but we can actually eat at a table now. Got to figure out chairs. Just got these 2 folding ones in here for now. So I'm kind of stuck here. But tomorrow we'll go get the TV cabinet that's going in between here. Chris is just chomping at the bit looking for a TV that'll fit in between that space. And of course I'm starting to play dolly. That's what he calls it when I start putting my nice things where I want them. So pretty nice. It's pretty bright in here. It's just beautiful. all I hear from people when we're building is, you need more windows, you need more windows. Well, I need places for my bookcases and for my art and everything else. And actually having this little table here will give me a chance to put one of my pieces here above the table. That always looks nice. Got to touch up the paint here where it was rubbing on the wall, I guess. Because I was using that for a bedtime, a night table. So yeah, pretty happy with this. We'll go get the TV cabinet tomorrow first, I think. And then we got to start figuring out what's going to work as far as chairs and that sort of thing goes. Gonna be pretty hard to get everything that we have in here. So either it fits or we try and pawn it off on our kids. We'll see. Got my gigantic jewelry box moved in here, and we're still pondering whether to put the bed against the wall and have one night table or what. We'll have to get it in here and see how it feels. There just isn't enough room. You know, there's about 10 inches on each side. So we don't have any tables skinny enough. Anyway, it is beautiful and sunny out right now, but it looks like it's gonna rain again. Super happy with this door again. I'll remind people that we did cut this door down from 37 inches to 35. Got the bumper over as far as it'll go, and then it sticks into the doorway about an inch. So I did figure out we could cut it down to a minimum of 34, and then there's still room for the hardware to go in between there. So that looks good. And yeah, so I'm pretty happy with everything so far. I love the light coming in from this door, but keeping this door closed means it stays nice and cool in here, and that's what we want. I really like the way this turned out with putting the plywood over where the two sea cans join. I think that looks really nice, and like I said before, we're going to have a little jog in the wall here because the barn door was going to be here and slide over. Really happy I did it this way because now I have a flat wall without a little jog, and I can hang something else here. Well, we are plumb tuckered out. I already had my shower. Chris is hitting the showers now. Gonna wash those berries in the morning, and tired out from this, rolling up rebar, pulling stakes out of the ground, picking berries. This old woman needs to go sit down. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell and share this video with your family and friends. We'll see you next time.